ave nós tem prazer com visita de nosso embaixador the Kingdom of Netherlands na Den Haag. E esta visita nós com sua senhora também e diretor de Cultural Center na Hulanda. Não tem visita cerca governador, cerca prime minister, para discutir com as comunidades, hanya ture support e bisa danki também para ture support de ayanan anterior, também discutir se tem qualquer issues para address com a comunidade. Senhor Ambassador Mr. Kumar Tuhin.
This is my first visit to Aruba, and my first impression of this country has been very, very good. It's a beautiful place, and between India and Aruba there are a number of areas where we can explore even better and stronger cooperation. Today I have had very good discussions with Honorable Governor. Also I had a meeting with the Vice President of the Parliament. I also would be meeting other senior leaders, including the Prime Minister of Aruba, and I think that we will be able to concretize some elements of cooperation, especially in education, culture, business, etc. Today we are meeting the Indian community, and I am told that they are very thriving, they are doing very good contribution to the economy here, and we will be discussing with them how to make their meaningful cooperation and contribution to this country even stronger and better. Thank you very much.